I sneezed in class today, and the fire alarm went off. Here's why. It was a normal day. I was sitting in class, and I started feeling a little sick. Then the principal came in, and he started yelling at me because he thought that I had COVID. So he called the fire department. And they came, and they checked my temperature and everything. I just had a really bad case of brain rot. I just needed some rest. So I went to the bathroom, and I sneezed. But it wasn't just any sneeze. It was a really loud sneeze. And when I say really loud, I mean like this. The teacher heard me and she started staring at me, and then the funniest thing happened. When they were searching the classroom, they pulled the fire alarm and the whole school got evacuated. But the good news is that I didn't have COVID. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to school tomorrow.